Hello and welcome to E-Classroom of English. So let's get started and have some fun with English. So here I am to start a new chapter of English grammar, that is adverbs. So let's get started. What is an adverb? An adverb may be defined as a word that describes or adds to the meaning of a verb. It tells us more about verb. Adverbs क्या होते हैं? That add to the meaning of a verb. Verb means क्रिया, action. जो भी काम आप करते हैं उसके बारे में आपको और डिटेल्स जो देते हैं that are adverbs. It tell you about more the verbs. कैसे हुआ action? If your action is done by you, how it is done, in which way it is done. Okay. So now let us read the following sentences. The dog barked loudly. How the dog barked? Loudly. Now let us read the second sentence. Simmer dances beautifully. कैसे डांस कर रही है? Beautifully. Nonu writes neatly. Wow. Let's see how he writes. He writes neatly. So, in all the three sentences, there are some questions that comes in our mind. So now let us answer those questions. How did the dog bark? Barking कैसे की थी dog ने? Loudly. How does Simmer dance? Beautifully. And how does Nonu write? Yes, neatly. So the words loudly, beautifully and neatly, they tells us that how the action is performed. ये तीनों words हमें ये बता रहे हैं कि action कैसे हुआ है. Dog ने barking कैसे की थी? Loudly. How Simba was dancing? Beautifully. And how the Nonu was writing? Neatly. So these three words are telling us how the action was performed. Hence, such words are called as adverbs because they tell us how the action is performed. Now let us see some more examples of adverbs. We ate hungrily. Eating तो हमने की है, but how we have ate? Hungrily. So hungrily is an adverb. The teacher spoke wisely. Teacher ने कुछ कहा है, but how? Wisely. So wisely is an adverb. He behaved kindly. Behave कैसे किया है उसने? Yes, very kindly. So kindly is an adverb. She dresses. Dress up किया है उसने, but how? Smartly. So smartly is also an adverb. So hungrily, wisely, kindly and smartly all are adverbs because they are describing the verbs. वो verbs को describe कर रहे हैं. Verbs कौन से हैं? Ate, spoke, behaved and dresses. Now मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एडवर्ब्स कि हम एडवर्ब्स फॉर्म कैसे कर सकते हैं किसी और वर्ड से. देर आर डिफरेंट मेथड्स, डिफरेंट वेज बेटा वी कैन फॉर्म द एडवर्ब्स. देर आर डिफरेंट रूल्स ऑल्सो. लेट अस सी द रूल्स. रूल नंबर 1, most of the adverbs are formed by just adding ly to the given word. हम सिर्फ ly वर्ड लगाने से उस वर्ड को adverb बना सकते हैं. कैसे? Let us see. Brave. I'm just adding ly and it becomes bravely. So now bravely is an adverb. Brave was an adjective. Now it is an adverb. Careful. I'm just adding ly and it becomes carefully. Slow. I'm adding ly and it becomes slowly. Now what I will do? I will talk about the second rule. Yes, when if the word ends with a y, then what we will do? अगर कोई word y से end होगा, what we will do? We will just replace that I with ly. Let us see the example. Happily. In the end, what is the word coming? Y. So what I will do? I will just remove the word y and I will add I and then ly. It will become happily. Angry. I will just remove y and I will add I in place of y and then I will add ly. It will become angrily. Now last example is steady. I will just remove the y and then add I and ly. It will become steadily. So hope it is clear. When a word ends with y, I will just add I and then an ly and it will become an adverb. Now talking about the third rule, that is, yes, if the word ends with le, what I will do? I will remove E from the last and then add Y to the given word. Like for example, gentle. It is ending with LE. So I will just remove the E at the last and I will add Y. It will become gently. एबल में से मैंने क्या किया है? आई एम जस्ट रिमूविंग ई. मैंने ई हटा दिया है एंड आई एम एडिंग वाई. इट विल बिकम एबली. Then I will see the next example, that is idle. Here also there is LE in the end and I will just remove this E and add Y. It becomes idly. Now talking about more things in adverbs. Hope you have understood all the ways of formation of adverbs, all the three rules as well as the meaning of this term adverb. Till then, thank you. Goodbye. Take care.